Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here with you there, Mum, helping you at home make money online. Today's lesson is your bio on Instagram. But before I get into this, I'd like to point out to you that I do have a course called Magnetic to help you get sales in the 3 easy steps, and some free gifts called Rapid Profit Machine and my 4-step video success series. So go check those out. Now I'll begin. How to do your profile on Instagram. You have to put what your target market is. You are an expert in what exactly, right? So I do affiliate marketing. So if you say you're an affiliate marketing expert, people who are doing affiliate marketing are going to hashtag affiliate marketing and find you. So if you do online marketing or social media marketing or Facebook marketing or Instagram marketing, you will get people. If you focus, who are you looking to attract exactly? Because if you put online marketers, there could be moms at home who are doing the perfumes and the makeup, and they're not my target market. My target market is affiliate marketing, people who want to learn the right way to promote products online with emails and with funnels. So it's slightly different market. So what is your niche, and who exactly are you serving? For example, Fraser Brooks is network marketing. It's not exactly affiliate marketing. His tips do help you, but it's more network marketing, where you've got physical products and you have products to sell who are customers and distributors. So it's slightly different. So it's very, very important to find out who you are exactly. Okay. Now, I have been using a bot, Multime, and if you've got more following, so you are following people, but those are following you, it's bad. So I've got to start deleting people. If you've got more followers than following, it's good. I mean, if it's the same, it's still good. So what are you on a mission to do? What is your mission in life online? Who do you help? Okay. So again, I'm sticking with affiliate marketers. So you could put on a mission to help affiliate marketers build their business online. So who are you helping and how? Do what? What are you helping them to do? Okay. So if you're helping moms at home, if you help moms at home get a second income online, you could be I help new moms lose their mummy tummy. It depends what your products are. Think. What's your best product? Is it the slimming product, or is it a different product? What are your top 3 products in your company? Then I want you to think, right, what do I do? What are my interests? I love YouTube. So I'm a YouTuber. I've got my own course, so I'm a course creator, but also put you really interested. You can put golf player. You could put what's the F1 racing? Love watching this football team. I love Man United. So you will get the people who you resonate with the most. Dog lover, that's a good one. If you've got a dog and you put photos of your dog, now this is a top tip from the top. You don't want people who like cats, do you? Because if you put a photo of your dog, then all the dog lovers are going to say, love, 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 love. Comment, 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 comment. And half the cat, if they're cat lovers, they're not going to post on a dog post. So this is a top tip from the top. You've got to hone in who you want to talk to on social media. If they've got cats and you're friends with them off social media, that's fine. But on social media, this is what you need to do. So I love France. So, and if you put little emojis in, that's even better. I couldn't find a French flag, but anyway. So then you're still helping people discover how I can help you. So if you click this link, now this is another top tip. So I want people to follow me on YouTube. Now, if I just left the words and the buttons, it would be really boring. So if you put a picture, Rapid Profit Machine Training, which is the total $1,000 worth of solo ads, TikTok, Facebook, paid ads, brand yourself everywhere on social media. That is worth its weight in gold and it's free. There's my 4-day success video series, so you can earn money online using your computer. So I chose that specially. And actually the red matches the red, so that's even better. Magnetic is get sales in 3 easy steps. And there's a magnet to show you that you become a magnet for sales, especially on Facebook, but it can be used on LinkedIn and everywhere else. I didn't find an 8-lead system. That's how to get leads on Facebook, how to write emails, and reviews of online marketing products. So if you have more than one, they've got more chance of clicking on what. I mean, you could put your Facebook group in, which I haven't done yet. You could put your Facebook page in. You could put your LinkedIn. You could put anything you like in. So then people will know who you are. They can come and meet you on Facebook. And if you actually are clever, for example, you can put this video series on a chatbot and get their emails, get the phone numbers. So that's another top tip, but I'm going off track here. So that's it for today. I'm going to go over the photo another time, but I just wanted to just get the words right. So I'll just recap. Oh, I wanted to go over this bit here as well. So if you go in edit profile, where is it? Professional account. If you want to put what you do, there are several, because I couldn't find online marketing. I could find social media agency or internet marketing service, but I couldn't find. So if you're, let me think, health coach, you can put something in like health, or you can put personal trainer probably as well. Personal coach, personal assistant. So you can beauty and personal care, skincare. What is your product? What's your best product? Do you like the skincare or do you like the beauty aspect of it? So you can put those in as well. So I just wanted to show you that as well. So guys, that short video today, I just wanted to show you all that so you can go and smash it on Instagram. I will be doing other videos on this, but I'm going to keep it short and sweet so you can do small chunks at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below, please, because it all helps me get to the top of Google. See you on the next video. Bye.